ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that got world's attention in last 5 months. I've made a video on ChatGPT already in which I explained AI, artificial intelligence, and a brief of ChatGPT. You can find the link somewhere here. In this video, let us see how ChatGPT can help in your professional life and assist you 24/7. If you are a working professional doing a job in an MNC or a startup, or you are an entrepreneur, then this video is exactly for you. It's very important to understand this piece of technology and make 100% use of it to make you efficient and successful. In the first part, we'll talk about how a working professional doing a job in an MNC or a startup can use ChatGPT to its advantage. While doing a job, most of your time goes in sending an email, reading an email, talking on WhatsApp, Slack, Microsoft Teams, etc., in meetings with agenda or no agenda, and doing a task that might require 5 hours but needs to be done in next 1 hour. Now let me tell you what I mean. So to start ChatGPT, you need to log into chat.openai.com and press enter. I've already logged in, but you can go and log in and sign up. Now let's assume your manager wants to drop an email to your third-party vendors for inviting them to company's annual day, and you need to write a draft and get it approved and then send to all the vendors. Now let's see how ChatGPT can help us. So we will do, I need to write an email to my third party vendors to call them to company tech appetite annual day. Location is JW Marriott Mahadevpura, Bangalore 560048. The activities will include cultural program, vendor Premier League awards, followed by dinner and cocktail. I want this email in less than 300 words and it should be a formal one. Now if you clearly see, I told ChatGPT about what I exactly need to do, email third party vendors, what are the details to that, and I've given a parameter that the email should be less than 300 words and it should be a formal one. So it has given us a subject as invitation to Tech Appetite annual day. We can definitely change it. I'll just tell you how. Okay, so it has mentioned the JW at Marriott thing, the location, and here we can fill the date and time that we have not given in our prompt. Celebrate this will follow a vendor Premier League award ceremony which will recognize rewards vendor signature. That's awesome. So it has asked for even RSVP as well. Now somehow let's say I do not still like this email and I want some other version. So I'll just click regenerate response. So the first response will be here. You can go and toggle it from here. In second response, it will start giving us. So there are two options currently. So one is this and another is this. So you can mix and match between these two emails and send and finalize with your manager. So let's say I didn't like the subject. So I want to tell them, can you suggest a better subject that will be more catchy and formal. So it is giving number of options to us to choose from. So it says join us at Tech Appetite annual day celebration. It says invitation Tech Appetite's annual day, vendor Premier League awards and more. Save the date and at giving us the location as well. A night of cultural networking, vendor Premier League dinner at JW at Mahadevpura. So if you see clearly, it has given us lots of option to choose and select from. Now let's say you select one email and now the problem is that you don't know how to send an email to multiple vendors together. So let's ask ChatGPT itself how to send this mail to multiple email IDs. So if you see clearly, it tells us the BCC method to send to multiple emails, wherein it also tell exactly the steps you need to follow to send this email, making your work very easy. So now you see easily this thing, if you do without ChatGPT, you might take a lot of time. This has drastically reduced your time. So drafting an email will take not more than 3 to 4 minutes, and you can finalize your draft and get an approval from your manager. And if your manager still don't like it, you can again regenerate. Now let's say you got an email and which is quite big, maybe more than 100 words, and you want to understand the gist of it, maybe in let's say 10-20 words. You can do that with the help of ChatGPT. Let me show you. Can you please summarize this email? Let me write in double quotes, in less than 20 words. So it says invitation to Tech Appetites annual day celebration at JW Marriott Mahadevpura, featuring cultural programs, awards, dinner and cocktails for the third party vendors. You can draft an email, you can read an email with the help of this ChatGPT. Even you are chatting, doing a group chat or doing a chat with one-on-one with someone, you can just copy paste here, understand what exactly the other person wants to say and how best you can reply to that. Now let us assume that your manager has asked you to make a PPT on a topic that you don't know, and he or she wants that PPT within next 1 hour. So this is how you will go about it. So let us assume that manager has told you to make a PPT on the value chain of diamond jewelry and told you to explain it to all the team members. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us in that. 4-page slide, value chain of diamond. I need it from a basic level idea of this topic. So I've asked, can you make a 4-page slide on the topic value chain of diamond jewelry, and I need it from a basic level and present it to someone who doesn't have any idea of this topic. So this is giving you a text. So I've asked, please tell me only pointers for a 4-page PPT on value chain of diamond jewelry. I need to present to people who doesn't have any idea. Make it very crisp points. Let's see. So now if you see, it has given us a good starting point for us to make the PPT. Now let us ask the script so that what you present, what you speak during the PPT, it can also tell that. Can you make a simple script of the above PPT? You want to understand one topic, you can understand yourself, even make a PPT, and also understand what you need to speak and present to a group of people who are at a stage wherein they don't know about this topic, and it is giving you a very good script. So in doing this independently, it might take you multiple hours, but with the help of ChatGPT, you can do this PPT in just half an hour max with the right script, and you are ready to present. Now let's assume you're an entrepreneur and you want to take help of ChatGPT, what all it can do and how you can go about establishing your business and make it more efficient and effective. Assume you have opened an e-commerce website for iPhone cases, and now you want to build this business right from your marketing strategies to the customer support. Let's give it a context first. So I've written, hi, I've started an e-commerce website for printed cases for iPhones. What should be my go-to strategy for marketing? Cases are premium and not cheap ones. So it says, congratulations, awesome, that's a human touch. Email marketing, it says content marketing, it says SEO, it says. So it's a very generalized thing. So let's understand, you want to write an ad for your this new business and you want to publish it to YouTube, Instagram and all the social websites. So let's see what exactly we are going to type now. I ask it that, can you make an ad for the company, assuming company as Santa and a customer frustrated with cheap yellow cases, and this Santa comes with some awesome cases, need a little funny script for a video. So let's see. This is amazing. It is writing an ad for you which you can go and just shoot it. That's all you need to do. Oh my god. I'm really amazed by seeing the capability of this ChatGPT. I mean, giving a 20-30 word prompt for making an ad for your new business. I mean, You don't need anyone in the starting. You can alone do any kind of business. So now let's understand, let's say your business has started, the ad is a hit, and now there's a customer issue. So how would you go about it? So it says one of the customer wants refund but it is out of warranty. How should I handle, as I don't want to give a bad customer experience? Listen to the customer. Okay, let's listen to the customer. Apologize. Okay, this is really amazing. If you're new to business, you don't know how to tackle a customer, it will definitely be your mentor. Now let's say for that customer you thought to give a store credit and not give the money back. So I'm just asking ChatGPT, can you draft an email for the same customer by saying that we are giving store credit? Let's see. You don't know how to tackle all these situations. You don't know how to draft an email to a customer. This ChatGPT is just mind blowing. It's trying to understand the disappointment and okay, and it tells very nicely that unfortunately it is out of warranty, but as a valued customer, while I cannot provide refund replacement, I would like to offer store credit. I mean, it's giving a store credit, an amount you can fill in here. The credit can be used product of, it will not expire. Okay, and apologizing again and again, asking if you have any questions. I mean, this ChatGPT is next level. Doing any kind of business, any side hustle is now very, very, very easy. You can just use this ChatGPT to any levels. I'm really amazed, seriously amazed by seeing the capability of this ChatGPT. You're working professional in a job in an MNC, in a startup, or you're doing entrepreneurship and started some new business and you don't know knickknacks and extra things about that business. This ChatGPT can really help you and save a lot of time. You can be far more productive and effective person. It is really very vast, and in also personal life it can help you. I'll definitely make a video on how it can help you on a personal front, just like it is doing in the professional front. And I feel the most important thing is to give the right background, a right question, and a set of right parameters. And still, if you don't get a good answer for yourself, you can regenerate, you can iterate by changing the parameters or changing the background, and it will give you a very nice result. The game here is the prompt, how you use the prompts. I hope you got help from this video by understanding how you can use the prompts very well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.